Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Pottery Barn wall telephone. It's known as a grand wall telephone, and this is Geraldine and Scott's equipment from Connecticut. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And this telephone is in the brushed stainless steel model. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. We have a note with this telephone, and the bell is not ringing. So we want to troubleshoot the bell circuit, and the switch for the bell. We will also be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this really cool telephone. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool grand wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our bell. We troubleshooted the bell, and it's a very, very small bell. It's one of the smallest bells that they use in telephones, and this one is no good, so we're going to set it to the side. It is no use to us. Now we also upgraded the bell because the really small bells are kind of hard to hear and they don't work really well. So we upgraded the bell. That's been taken care of. We troubleshooted the transmit, the receive, the handset cord, and we also resoldered the bell circuit and cleaned the bell switch. So we went through the entire telephone while it was in the shop. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and I can press the button and give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It's pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. Now I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and set our handset down because we'll check the flash button. That'll give us dial tone. And we can press the redial button. And the analyzer will end in a 2. We can go ahead and hang up our handset. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. Hear the time and temperature. No need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Monday, April 16th. The current time, 10:14 a.m. and the temperature, 32 degrees.
We'll go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool grand wall telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Geraldine and Scott and they can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.